let me give you a brief introduction of Vision World Academy and its activities. Vision World Academy is determined and dedicated in serving the nation from last 10 years by finding new talents from various walks of life and giving them a sound platform by honoring them. It is a proud privilege of Sri Naren Shah, Chairman of Vision World Academy, to honor today's 7 super achievers, including Central Information Commissioner, Entrepreneur, Director General of Police, Corporate Real Estate Industry Expert, Compassionate Donor in Healthcare Sector, and Motivational Speaker, transforming human potential. More than 200 achievers have been honored with Global Visionary Award. Some of the achievers got through identification of their talent and consistent hard work by receiving Global Visionary Award. And the man who brought them into limelight is none other than Sri Naren Shah, the inspirational leader of Vision World Academy and his dedicated professional team. As a part of our efforts to pay back to the society, we have always pleaded the cause of several leading charitable institutions and NGOs dedicated to the service of the disadvantaged sections of the society. As a gesture of paying back to the society, Ayurvedic medicines were presented to several old age homes for free distribution among the needy aged people. Earlier, Braille watches were also distributed to blind students. Last year, Ms. Anu Agrawal, as the recipient of the Visionary Award, conducted an interactive yoga session with the old age home inmates under the arrangements of Vision World Academy. Vision World Academy expresses deep gratitude to Honorable PM and the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Modi, for his blessings and good wishes to the Vision World Academy. He kindly agreed to meet a delegation of NRIs who were honored with the Visionary Award in 2011. The meeting with the delegation, led by Sri Naren Shah at the Chief Minister's residence, was marked by warmth and appreciation and regard for the dynamic leader of Gujarat. Mr. Neville Roche from Australia was overwhelmed by the kind gesture of Chief Minister for a meeting with senior executives of the Adani Group. All the eminent personalities of Gujarat who have graced the dais at award functions have wholeheartedly supported the aims and objectives of the Visionary Award. Former Chief Justice of Gujarat and Bihar, Dr. J.N. Bhatt, who praised over the first award function, observed that Visionary Award has rightly reinforced the age-old tradition of India's ancient civilization to honor the deserving persons. Shri Thomas Matthew, Managing Director of the LIC, spoke about the importance and significance of visionaries and said that only visionaries can provide leadership to the society. Vision World Academy's initiative to honor women achievers was welcomed by Dr. Manjula Subramaniam, former CS and Vigilance Commissioner of Gujarat and Chairman for Metro Rail Project, while presenting Visionary Award to 3 women achievers at the award function January 2012. Vision World Academy also expresses a sincere thanks to its committee members for offering honorary services to the Academy. These committee members have graced dignified posts in their respective fields. To make this award presentation ceremony a successful event, all our committee members persistently support Vision World Academy in each possible way. It will be my honor to introduce our committee members to the audience. I request our committee members to come near the stage on calling your names so that the audience can recognize you. Sri Jayesh Moore. He is a leading chartered accountant. Shri Ashutosh Bhai Vyas. Former senior executive, multinational company, ex-deputy commissioner of AMC. He has a wide exposure of city governance and utility business like city gas and power distribution. Shri Lalit Sharma, past district governor Shri Lalit Sharma is a leading chartered accountant. We welcome him to the award presentation ceremony as he has recently given his consent to join the visionary committee. He is the recipient of Rotary 4 Avenues of Service Award. He has traveled more than 25 countries for business and leisure. Shri Deepak B. Thakur. Quality Associates Construction, former General Manager Marketing, Birla Corporation Limited, ventured into his own business, represents leading construction material companies such as Ultratech Cement, Reliance Industries, and Big Block, past president of Rotary Club of Cosmopolitan, Ahmedabad, and presently in charge of Anganwadi project. Shri Bhupendra Bhai Barot, previously gazetted officer in Government of Gujarat, and later on served with Reliance Textile Industries in senior management. Presently honorary president in Consumer Protection Cell, Gujarat, and a member in Food and Safety Advisory Committee, Government of Gujarat. Shri Joitabai Patel. Past District Governor, Rotary District 3050, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and MP. He was attached with Teach Us Well and Now Nirman Andolan kind of movements, Development Officer of Ambaji Mata Temple. Shri Jayant Bhai Panchal. Shri Jayant Bhai Panchal. Former news editor, Doordarshan. He is retired from India Information Service after working with various ministries of Government of India for 40 years. Presently, he is an assignment editor in Doordarshan News, Ahmedabad. I, Rupal Shah, CEO of Vision World Academy.